What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow, aka Seabass, and today we're going to be replacing I believe it's called a door stop, if I'm not mistaken. It kind of like stops the door, basically first at one position, and then it allows you to open the door completely. But mine broke recently, and what happens is if you're like in a windy day and you try to open the door, it just completely goes, and you can hear the hinges creaking pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because I'm just afraid that one of my family members drives the car, accidentally breaks a hinge or something, and they're stranded somewhere. So I went to the junkyard and I actually went ahead and got one from a car right here. I'm not 100% sure if it is working, but if it doesn't work, then it's whatever. Kind of looks crusty as hell, but I just needed one for the moment. If it is crusty and doesn't work, then it's whatever. I could replace it at a later date. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Obviously, it's just 2 bolts and then one right here. You can see I still have the 2 bolts right here, but this one I took off. So easiest way to do this is by removing the door panel. This right here usually just lifts right up. If I'm not mistaken, it'll pull up right here. There we go. So there's a clip right here, and make sure you don't break the tab that's down here. So then I'm gonna go ahead and unclip it right here. I believe we push in one of the tabs. Yeah, so we push in that tab right here, this right here, and this should come out. Then we have one screw right here and another one right here. I already went ahead and took those off. They're right here on the dashboard. So once we get this out of the way, we should be able to get the door panel off. So now that we got the window switch removed, just want to come down here and just kind of pull it out. Oh, we forgot to pull this out. And then I believe we should take this off and we should be able to lift up. There we go. And just set that aside. Set that aside, and then we're gonna come in here, and then we have access to the door stop right here. So just go ahead and remove these 2 10mm bolts and just take this out and put the new one in. So there you go, I got it out. This is the old one. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one. All you want to do is just slip it right in right here. Really easy to get to. So let's go ahead and put it back on. And just like that, we got the door stop replaced. And this is something you actually want to do. If it does break, replace it immediately, because if you do wait a while, this is what's going to happen to your window tint. And yeah, I kind of waited a little bit too long, and check it out. So my window tint just kept scraping to the point where it just started rubbing off and didn't look pretty good. So it just started scraping my window. So that's another reason why I ended up just replacing the whole window altogether, because let me set this over here. That's another reason why I decided to replace the whole window, because a couple years back when this originally did happen, I ended up buying a new one of these because when my dad bought the Matrix, the window didn't work, and it was because this was completely missing, or it was actually broken down there. I fixed it for him. I bought him a new regulator. This is a eBay window regulator. It's still holding up. So get the cheapest window regulator off eBay. It'll still work for like 6-7 years. And then we did this. I bought this kit from like the store, and it held up. I want to say it held up pretty good for like 5 to 6 years. And then obviously the glue dried up and it just broke, and my windows just all over the place. So yeah, get your door striker replaced, or your door stop replaced, because it's going to scratch up your tint from your window. So I ended up getting this window with tint from the junkyard for about 20 bucks on 40% off day. So I'm actually happy that I didn't have to get the window re-tinted because of this issue right here. Didn't have to get it re-tinted. So yeah, cool that I found this at the junkyard. Let me pull out the key real quick, see if the tint matches. So there you have it. Tint's actually still pretty good, hasn't turned purple, and it looks like it's legal tint. Doesn't look like it's illegal tint. Don't want to get pulled over. So yeah, got that from the junkyard. Pretty good. Look at that. So awesome. Let's clean up the window real quick and call it a day.
Supuestamente que cuando salieron, cuando
My dad.
que la gente quería que gratis, pero pues cómo van a dejar que gratis, el gobierno no va a querer su dinero.
There, your car's fixed.
Thank you. I like you. I love you, mijo.
Also installed them one of these right here. So that's it.